welcome to my channel, guys. So today we'll see what all I have done on my polo. So where is the polo? Here you go. In the front, I changed the GT logo. This is actually a Polo 2021 trendline. So it doesn't come with any fog lights, anything. So we have this red lines stickering in the front, and the headlights, all bulbs have been changed, like parking bulb, low beam, high beam, and we have added a fog light for this. With we have tinted it to the yellow. The LED is white only. We have tinted it, and we have made a glossy paint for these things. For all these things, we have made a glossy paint, and we have a stickering in the lower thing and in the middle, and we have this eyelet. This is not an eyelet, it's a stickering. It's just a stickering. Coming to the side profile, the major is the alloys. So as you can see, this is a GTR Pro 16-inch alloys, and painted the caliper to the neon green colors and this neon reflectors. The tire sizes are 205, 50 and 60. So it's white, and we have this Batman mirror caps and this line stickering on this. So we have a added center locking to this car. Coming to the back, there are many things. On the rear, you have a Batman spoiler, shark fin antenna, and the glass is like tinted. So this has been the cap. It's a matte finish cap for the logo, and all debadging has been done. And this is the logo of our club, Bangalore Polo Club. So, and this is the tail light. So this is actually a scanning function, which I will add how it will be like for the scanning thing, how it will be looking. So coming down, we have this 5-fin diffuser. This 5-fin diffuser, and you can see the look from behind, how the car looks from the back there. And we have this F1 light. F1 lights in this, and HKS tag. And this is where we have a Rimus Velvetronic exhaust. So this is in the off position now. I'll just show you some light. So even this side is the same thing. We have a permitted amount of tint in this, so 70% visibility. So we have a number plate, OEM rear view camera here. Sensors, everything is built in from the company. So we'll see what all we have inside. Inside, I have changed this switch, auto switch, and we have this key. This, in the basics, we don't get a remote key. We have made this key, and this is just a cover. So the actual key is inside. So similar to the Tygoon key. Yeah, and we have a 70 mats, and I have 10-inch infotainment system. This is 10-inch infotainment system. This is the controls for your Velvetronic, and this is the steering. This is just a steering cover. This steering cover and the controls. These controls and the covers are imported, and this red thing. Okay, this is only controls which works with an Android system. So here we have a battery. It will just stick on your normal steering, so that it will just connect to. We have a canvas connected to this system. So this will work then. So we'll just stop the music. So you have all the controls here, all these things, and we have coded all these things, like you get a distance to empty, and you get like needle sweep and all. in that thing, all coded. So many features is coded in that. Okay, interior have not done much thing. Yeah, you can see that. And I have made a wireless charging here, and I have conversion for this, like from one cigarette lighter to three, so that I can choose my charger, exhaust, etc. All these things. And coming to the hood, I have a BMC air filter in that. So it's a stock replacement air filter. Anything else did I leave? Like nothing. I have made everything, and I have took a. Uh, I have a underbody lights as well. So this is the control for the underbody lights. I'll post that underbody light video in the dark, so now it won't be visible. So we'll do that. Even I'll add that. And I have all the pen drive, all these things here only. So I have made it in my dashboard only. So now we'll see for the exhaust note. Now it is in the off position. Now I'll on it. Now I'll just turn it off. Now it's like no sound, silent. So we'll close this. And the pickup, everything, like I have a remap in this. I'll just show you. It's just an OBD remap. Very helpful. Improved in my mileage. You can see the pickup and all now. I'll just show you. This is 1 liter MPI. See, you can see the RPM meter. I think you can hear that spin. Okay, now we'll just wear your seat belts. All these warnings, everything is there. Okay, now we'll see how the pickup is. The roads are like, I got a very turning road, so no worries. The pickup is crazy.